Hi, Chris Morrissey with House Prospector, previewing homes in Rancho Santa Margarita today. I just walked out of a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, approximately just under 1,600 square foot. Price point on this is just under $590. It's a really good shape. The cabinetry is old school. They're kind of oak, and the ones without the handles and stuff like that. Other than that, it was pretty nice. Most of the, I want to say, the countertops, those are the old tile types. So it's a little dated, but for the price of, what is it, just under $590, it's a pretty decent home. Now, it is a townhouse, so you do have I do believe, two common walls. It is 2-story. You do come in. You have your 2-car attached garage. So you are actually sharing your driveway with one other person. So you come in, you have to make that hard left, and you're into your parking spot, or you're into your garage. Now, the garage does have a lot of extra room for storage. I did not see if okay, right outside the garage is kind of a mud room, and it's your laundry room right there. So you come out, and it's right there, right before you come into the main area or the main house. So you have, as you come in the main house, you have the greet, or I should say, you have the entryway. From the entryway, you can go to your garage, which is through your laundry room. There's a half bathroom down there. There's a kitchen, and then that flows back into your dining room and living room. Now, the living room does have a nice fireplace. There's a double slider glass door from your dining room out to your outdoor. You do have a small little, not a patio area, but a backyard. Now, the way they've got it is there is a slab for their patio, and then what they did is they kind of bricked and let grass grow in between the bricks to cover the rest of the yard. Now, behind you is nothing but open land. There is probably, I want to say, about a 50-foot decline from your spot. There's a lot of pine trees, so you are actually looking out into the pine tree. Now, what's below that is just a road, so there's really nobody behind you, but you will get some road noise. Now, you do have double pane windows, so that'll keep the road noise to a minimum. This is pretty nice. You're really nicely located. There's a elementary school that's literally walking distance from this location. The other nice thing is the bedrooms are all decent size. I was impressed with the size of all three of the bedrooms upstairs. Now, the master has its own private bathroom. It does have an oversized bathtub and a separate shower location. So the shower and bathtub are separated, but they're both in the master. The other 2 rooms share a bathroom, a full bathroom, so it does have a bathtub and a shower in the hallway. Overall, this was in good shape. I noticed that the carpeting changed from the stairwell to the upstairs. So all the upstairs, they have the same color carpeting. The stairwell is a little bit different, and then the downstairs flooring is all tile. So that's kind of the flooring. So it is a little dated as far as the amenities, but overall it's in really, really good shape. It's a nice location. I would highly recommend coming and take a look if this is in your price range. 3 bedrooms, so there's a lot of places out there that you can't even get a 2-bedroom for this price. So if this is something that would interest you, give me a call, 949-813-9185. I'll get you in, get you some pictures, and we can come take a look at it. Hope you're having a good day, and I will see you next preview.